Sabi ko,
Chicharon bulaklak. Bam, 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 bam. Bago yung de. Say hi. Ang pangkot di ko yung yelo eh. About saan daw yan? Ah, yung ano, PPT? Asan yun? E-commerce.
okay.
Ano pala?
30 seconds. Next.
Sino yan? Sino yan? Huli. Bilis, bilis. Parang sa bayan pa kayo bumili niya. Guys, may taga-bundok sa likod. Ang sorry ba? Pa-left, pa-right. Ano sabi? Ito daw? Nagugutom na kami, guys.
Ito na naman yung choices.
Ini. Ay.
Ramos agad sa kay para sa iyo. Unang-unang choices to pero hindi ko lang pinili para sa iyo.
Website.
Okay na yung madali na. You have 15 seconds.
Wait lang, sir. Tapos may buto ko, sir. Huh? Ano? Discussing. So guys, tapos na isa kaming posters. Did you see this one? Oh, 20
Sige,
over
nakita lang ako ng
20.
mabilis dito sa The Enlightened Marketing. Since hindi ko na-discuss. Sabi niyo ma'am, binasa niyo na. Binasa niyo. Sabi niyo. Kapag-audio tayo noon, paano kayo nakagawa ng reflection naman? So, does anyone of you sa ATO what is Enlightened Marketing? Kung binasa na. Miss Bena Bena.
No?
Okay, sige. Let's have an intro. In marketing, marketing goes beyond selling products and making profits. Because if we're going to look back on the history, when we say marketing, kasi diba marketing, thinking lang natin, promoting product, making people aware about the product, no? But we can also consider buying and selling as in marketing, no? We pay cash and we receive the product. Pero ngayon, no, if we're going to look at the marketing, it's beyond, no, product selling. So considers, in marketing, we also considers the needs of the customers. Kasi sabi nga natin, may ensure lang daw natin na ang product or yung business natin ay magiging competitive if we're able to consider yung needs ng customers. No? Kasi kung hindi kailangan ng tao, hindi nila bibiliin. Kung hindi makakatulong para ma-resolve yung problema nila, hindi nila bibiliin. No? But as time passes by, pag nag-iisip daw tayo ng produkto, aside from thinking or considering the needs of the customers, kailangan din daw natin i-consider yung society as well as the environment. No? Pero paano ba? So, malalaman natin. No? So, marketing also promotes ethical and responsible marketing practices. No? Pag sinabi natin ethical, mas tayo kung ano yung tama at ano yung dapat. Pag sinabi natin responsible, ganun din. So, kinakailangan sundin natin kung ano yung tama at dapat na practice. Certain example nung tinatawag natin responsible marketing. For example, if the claim of your product is makaputi for 7 days, dapat yun magiging result. As well as, dapat walang naaapektuhan or hindi siya nagkakaroon ng negative effect sa tao, sa society, and even sa environment. Now, that is ethical and responsible marketing practices. And ngayon, sabi na natin, yung marketing should create a long-term customer value. Hindi siya in lang for a month. Hindi siya yung kailangan lang for now. It must be sustainable. Ayan, katulad niya. It's support sustainable business growth. Build stronger customer relationships with social responsibility. To make it much more clear, no? Pag sinabi natin enlightened marketing, ito ay isang approach na ang focus niya is to create a long-term value for customer, society, and business. So, ibig sabihin, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi siya basta nagtayo ka ng company or ng developer ng isang product, magugustuhan lang siya ng tao at tatagal lang siya for the year. No? It must be a long-term value for a customers. So it emphasizes ethical practices, customer satisfaction, innovation, and social responsibility rather than simply maximizing short-term profits. Kasi kung ang focus lang natin ngayon as an entrepreneur is earn profit, then definitely hindi magiging sustainable yung ating business or even the product that we develop. What is the reason? Bakit sa tingin nyo na kung we're just eyeing for the, mag-eyes on the price, ibig sabihin kung tayo as an entrepreneur or a businessman, nakafocus lang tayo sa pag-earn ng profit, bakit